What is up, guys? I got a cool project for you here today. 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe with the 289 V8. This car runs, it drives, but it definitely needs restoration. It's a good looker. It would make a perfect daily driver for somebody if you want to keep it the way it is. But if you want to restore it back to its former glory, it's going to need some work. I'm going to take you through the vehicle. We're going to go over the outside, the inside, check out the mechanics of it, start it up for you. I'm going to go over every single flaw so you know what you're getting before you get here. Or if you're shipping it, you'll know exactly what you're getting when it shows up at your house. We don't want no surprises. Our company's based on transparency, and we do a lot of business throughout the US, and we want to keep it that way. First, we're going to start with the exterior. We got some bubbling starting right there in the paint. One spot here, a little bit of rust here. As we make our way down the door, a little bit of bubbling here. This is solid. You can push on, it's not doing much. Same thing with this, I'm pushing heavy. It's got the Mustang rims on it. A couple little, looks like paint on it, little paint chips. The chrome is in decent shape. It's got a little bit of scratches on it right there. The hood appears to also be in good shape. Nice buff would be great. Take a look at this fender. This fender's in good condition. Nothing going on with it except a little scratch right here. On this door, we got a little more bubbling, but again, solid bubbling. The worst part of the car is going to be right here. And that's going to be, there's a hole right there. The rest of it's solid. You can push on it. Same thing with this. Take a look up here. Little dent right here, small one. But overall, it's a good looker. 5 feet away, even 3 feet away. The paint shines pretty good. We'll head on the inside. It looks like the front seats are red, back are black. These definitely need to be reupholstered to match. This one is good. So it looks like somebody just did something with this seat. Carpet's faded. Dash is in good shape. The mileage is showing 31K. We're gonna presume it's unknown miles. It's either 130 or 230. Headliner's in good shape. Cracking here. Look under the trunk. Now, when we got this car, we got it just the way it is, and somebody did undercoat this car. It looks like it probably had rust or a rust repair. Like, this is all solid here. The frame looks decent over here. Not terrible. The biggest thing is going to be on the other side. Somebody definitely try to cover something up over here. It's not terrible, but I'll show you. So right here, somebody put, looks like metal tape. I'm guessing it had a little bit of rot here on the floorboard, and they try to cover it up. This floor is solid. Same thing with this. Frame looks solid. So somebody made it look good, but it's not perfect by any means. If you look at the front rails, they're good. Nothing crazy going on with them. Same thing on this side. Definitely a lot of car for the price what we're selling it for. I think you have a good winner here. You can restore, make it a real nice car, or again, just drive it the way it is. It's got a 289 V8 in it. Now, it looks like it's got a remanufactured head on it. That's what it's showing here. Maybe the motor was remanufactured. This is not the original motor to the car. This was a 6-cylinder car originally. It's a T code, but it's got what appears to be a 289 or a 302. Looks like a 289 to me. All my Ford experts, let me know what you think. Yeah, we'll go inside now and start it up. All right, guys, we're in the car. Prime the carburetor. It's idling a little low. I'd probably raise up the idle up on it a little bit. Small idle adjustment should get it running the way it needs to be. It's up for sale now, guys. $12,500 to drive a 289 V8 Mustang. Not a bad price. Got a clean body on it. A little bit of spot here is the biggest thing. Give us a call, 215-801-9493, or go on our website, getallcars.com. Up for sale now. Talk to you guys later. If you're interested, give me a call. My name is Rob, and God bless you and the United States of America. Later, people.